Hello.
Hi.
This video is
for
you
your
to understand how we do
citations
on
through
how
the MS Word.
reference articles
So
while we are writing
let's take a quick look.
It is very important for
This
us
is a sample
to
article
reference the
that I have
articles
done on
to retrieve
evolution,
the articles and to reference
and it's a
them
single page article.
in the
We have to
places
cite
or in the
three
portions where
articles,
we are
three
writing
different
our
articles,
assignments, the tasks.
through the MS Word.
Basically, what we are going to
So
show
this
you
is
today
a
is
manual citation
how to
that we
cite
are
the
going to do,
references through the website.
and
Cite
you have
this
to
form.
take a good look.
So for
to
this,
understand how we do
you
this.
can see the website.
So
The name
we
of the
move on
website
to
is
the first citation
for me,
which is a journal article citation.
So when you open
Let
the
me tell you,
website,
there are
something
different
like
ways
this looks.
in which
You've
people
got a
cite
several
articles
options
in
your
MS Word.
bibliography,
But
extras,
I find this method,
topic
the method
ideas,
that I'm going to
etc.,
show,
we don't have to
quite
bother about all
easy
the
and
other options.
our
Good way to
concentration
cite
area will be
articles.
this. Okay, so I'll just show you.
This is going
If you
to
are
be
citing
our
an article,
concentration areas,
journal
right?
article,
Okay.
make sure that the journal article
So,
is authentic. As the one
First
I've
of all,
taken,
we can see there are three
on the
options for citation.
left side of the screen. You can see that I've taken
The
a
first
journal
is
article.
website.
It's a Science Direct article,
is
so
journal article, and then
it is an
book.
authentic article. These are the three. The
commonly
best way to
popular
identify whether the article
resources
is
that we
authentic
cite in our
or not
assignments.
is there are others
The
also.
articles
but
must
we'll not
have
go into that. The journal
So let us
name,
start with the
as you
website
can see, this is the
referencing.
journal
How
name,
do we refer
volume
or
name,
cite
volume number,
website?
issue number,
Articles.
of course the date. So for that, let us
If
click on
possible,
the
website
the
option.
pages used. And very important,
When we click on the
website
DOI
option,
number,
we can see
now
the
the
DOI
DOI
number
arises,
is the digital
and
object identifier.
there's an empty space
It is
for
a
the
unique number.
URL.
It's actually,
So basically,
it's a
we have
license
to
for the
paste
journal
the
articles.
URL in this
So
section.
I've
We have to
already
look for
found
these
a
things to
website
understand
article
whether the article
for us
is
to
a
cite. As you can see, this is a news article. So let's
This
get
is
back
a news
to our
article of
work.
ABC in Australia.
This is the portion where we have spoken about this article.
We had written about this
So
article.
what we are supposed to do is
So
that
basically
we have to cite this article
click
in this
on
section. What we are going to do is that we're going
link
to put the cursor at the end of the sentence,
copy the entire link.
give a space,
We can do a
as
Control
I've already
C,
done it,
or we can right click
and go to the
copy
reference
option and
section
copy the
of
entire
your
link.
Word document. As you can see,
When
the
this
reference
is
section
done,
go to that section,
go back to
and
cite this from
you can see there is a option called insert citation,
and paste
basically
the
this
link
is for in-text citation,
the
so that's the
space.
insert citation
URL space.
click on
and
it
then go for the auto
and
cite.
click on add new sources. Okay,
So we see
after
this bar,
clicking the
this
add
pop-up
new
arises.
sources,
This
and we click on the final
step.
box will appear, and the first option is
However,
the I see
of
that there are
source.
two sections
So we are
that
going to
are
cite a
empty.
journal article,
So we'll click on the drop
Right.
down menu, and
which
we'll search
is
for the
the
journal article
first name of the
option.
author and the last
Here
name
we
of the
go.
author.
Click
We
on
have to
it,
go back to
and
our
we see
website
these
article
fields have been changed to search for the author's name.
Right.
So next we
After
click
scanning
on
the entire
show all bibliography fields.
article,
we
you can
see
see
that
there are many
the
fields
author's
that we need
name
to
is
fill
here,
up.
but
Really stored.
we're not going to fill all of
So
them.
we
We're
just
going to fill some
Control
of the
C,
important places.
copy this,
Okay, so get back to
let's
our
take a look
website
at the journal article
and paste it. Okay, this is the journal article.
However,
It has got the entire article.
we
here.
have to
You can
place
also view this
the
article
last
in your
name into
PDF
its
format
corresponding section.
this way.
Now let me tell you,
I prefer to do it in
this website is a 2017
So the first
website,
option is your author.
link or
Right.
article.
So you can
But
see there are three authors.
If it would
here.
have been in 2014
the best way
or
to
15
cite three
article,
authors is to go for the
we would
edit
have to
option
change
here.
this year published to
Add
the corresponding
your author's
year.
name. But since this article
For
is a
example,
2017 article, so we'll
first
leave it
author
as it is. I'm selecting the
We'll
first
add it.
author's name.
Control C.
Right. Go to the first
So our
name.
reference is added
I
in
repeat, go
our
to the first
database.
name option.
So this is for the
Empty
website.
space, and let us go on to
Paste
the
the
journal
author's
article.
name.
Right. So
Now
basically,
the author's surname
while
on the last name is
citing
Lou,
journal
as you can
articles,
see.
there are two ways in which
Funny
we
thing,
can do
but
it.
it's low.
But
Okay.
before we
So
cite
we're
journal
going to do
articles,
this.
we have to be sure
Okay.
that the articles that we
Add
had selected are
the
authentic
first author's
journal
name.
articles. Consequently,
For that,
we're
we
going
have
to
to
add up
look
all the
for
three some
author's
of
name.
the articles which
It is
have
very
the journal
similar way.
name, the volume number, the issue number, the name of the authors, the pages used, etc., etc. There's some things that we need to look out for. So we have selected a Science Direct article, and it's an authentic article. We'll eventually know why it is an
Make sure
authentic
we
article.
paste
So the first
author's
way
name
that we can
correctly.
cite the article is
The last name must be given at the first.
go to the Citus for me,
And then add OK.
click on the
All
journal
the
article
author's name
section.
will appear
As
in
you can
the
see.
corresponding bar.
Okay, then we have the title, and we see this pop-up.
So we
arises.
select
the name of the article.
Copy
So
paste it here.
what we are supposed to do is that
The name of the journal is
go
the
back
next
to the
option.
article. The journal's name
Copy
is
the
Advances
entire
in
article title.
Climate Change
As you
and
can
Research.
see.
Let's go on to this. Copy it. Advances in Climate
Let's
Change.
return back to
Research.
the Citus for me
Control
website.
C,
Select
and you can see a search bar, and then come here. So just Control V and paste the
Right,
article.
paste it
information,
here.
the article title. We don't need to put
And
city, but
go
we
on
need
for
to put
search.
the year. As you can see from the article, the year is 2015. The search
So we
results
just
have
keep
2015. There
and
are
what we can
some
see is
other
that
information that we can input, but we would
Our
try not to
intended
input those
article is
information in the top
Okay.
most number of pages. As you can
of the
see, it's
results.
written here 202. So we'll just click on the
209.
article,
So we'll just paste it here.
scroll down this,
Click
and
on
we'll
the
find
final
two
step.
other options that is very important for us to fill. That is the
Now
volume
this is a
number
very
and the issue
crucial
number.
moment for you to understand.
As we can see from this, the volume number
Just
is 6,
check or
and
recheck
the issue
all the
number
sections
is 3 to
of
4.
this
So we'll
page.
just whether each
Click
and every
on it
section is
and
filled.
we'll just input these
There are
information.
3 authors.
So there we
and
go. We've
3
cited the
names of the authors
journal
are
article.
already inputted. We'll do a OK. The
Okay.
year of the published article.
As you can see,
the article
the
title,
in-text
name of the
citation has
journal,
already appeared.
issue numbers, volume
So
number,
we have successfully
pages
inserted
used, DOI,
the journal article
name of the
citation.
database. So next
some
we move
cases
on to
DOI
the
and the database
website
are missing
citation.
so that's okay.
But
So
we
for
need
website
these
citation,
information.
we need to locate the place where
Exactly
we have
these
used
information
information
are the website.
crucial.
And this is exactly the
So what
place
we
where
do
I have
after
used the
rechecking all the
information, we scroll
going to
down
cite
and
my
we select the
website
add
here.
reference option. At the end of the sentence, click
And
on
the
the
reference is
cursor,
added.
give a space.
Now what is
Go
this
to the
next
reference of
way
your Word
to
document.
cite a reference
Go to the
article?
insert citation.
When you are
Click
citing
on
an
new
authentic
sources, add new
reference
sources,
or journal article,
and we get this bar.
you will
this
find
box.
a DOI.
We have to change the
DOI
type
is
of
the
sources. As
digital
we've done
object
journal articles,
object
source.
identifier. That's a
Uh,
particular
saved
with
code
the
of
same
every journal
type.
articles.
Digital
We just
object
click on the
identifier.
arrow, search
And
for
we
that.
select,
As you can see, the website option. I'll just
zoom
as you
it.
can see, the fields have changed, and
We'll
we
go
are
to the
unable
show all
to find the
bibliography
DOI
field
to get a view of
But don't be sad.
what
we'll eventually
is
find it.
necessary in this section. Yeah, right here. So as you can see, can you see? We have to
This is the
input our author's name, name of the web page, name of the website, etc., etc. So this is the newspaper
DOI
article
that we
that
will
we had
input
selected. This is a
Be
ABC
very
newspaper
careful
article
while
of Australia.
selecting this number.
And because
This is the
it
author's
is
name.
generally in the form of a link.
Okay,
So
sometimes
if you
the author's name
accidentally
are
click
scattered.
on it, you may not
The
find the
same
author's
journal
name
article below.
just below the
So just be
article
very
title.
careful
You can
and
search
look
for
at it very
somewhere
carefully.
on the right
We're
side
going
or
to
somewhere on the
select
left side
only
or even at the
this
end of the
part.
article.
Only
Sometimes
this part. I don't know why
the name of the authors are given
the
in these
portion is
sections
selected.
instead.
Getting
So
selected.
fortunately we have the author's name here. So we're going to select the author's name. So just select
till
and
this portion.
go to the
Right?
edit option.
This is the thing that we
Pasted
are
the first
supposed to
name.
select.
Cut the
Do
last
Control
name and
C.
paste it in the corresponding section
And add it
and
and select OK.
I'll just so this is where our paste it here. Author's name has been inputted.
For you to understand.
Okay, now we need to input
This
the
is the
name of
DOI
the web page.
So the
And
name
we're
of the
just
web
going
page
to
means
basically the article's
select this
title. So we're going
Go
to
back
to our site.
copy the
article's title and
click
paste
on the
it
journal article section.
Here we go.
And just paste
The
the
article
DOI.
has been the article's
And
title
go
has
for
been
search.
copy pasted successfully. Now we move on.
Can
to
you see the
name
entire
of the
article
web
has
page.
been selected?
This is
once
a
again
place
with the
where
same DOI
people
that we
generally
pasted.
go for the
So that's very
link
easy,
option,
and we can
like
just
this.
add the reference.
Just select the
If you
name
had
of the web page or
understanding,
website, if you had
and just paste it
difficulty
in the
in
section.
understanding how
Or
we did
sometimes
that,
people
I'll just take
also
you to the
write the
other
name of the
side of the
website.
thing. For example, this is a
click
website of
on the
ABC.
website of
This is a
ABC.
DOI article, but I would suggest you
Wait for it to turn.
Okay, I would suggest you to just paste on the link. Okay, now you can see there are some other irrelevant fields that we do not need to fill up. Of course, we need to fill this up. Okay, so while we're waiting,
The year
for
of the
the
article
turn published, it is 2017, as you can see.
expired.
So we'll just manually write 2017. Okay, the month
just
is January. Click on this DOI article.
just write Jan.
in case if the link gets expired.
The day is 11th
Copy
January
link
2007
address.
is
I do it again for
year,
you.
month, and day of the
Go to the
article
DOI
being
link.
published.
Okay, year access, monthly access,
Click
and
the
the
right
right
click
click
option.
option. Access.
Go
These
to
are
the
some of the
copy link
information that we
address.
have to manually put it.
Now get back to the
You
site
have to
from the
give today's
website.
date.
Click
So
on the
basically,
journal
year
article
access would be
bar.
2017. We'll get this, tab it down to,
And
in the search option, as you can see, it's already written
Month
that enter the
accessed,
DOI,
which is
July. So just
July.
click it, tab
And
it
we'll
down
paste
to
the
your
day
link
access,
that we
which
just
is
now
18.
copied, and then you're going to copy paste the entire
And
link of your, you're going to delete
website
this portion.
article.
Just be careful which I'm going to just delete this portion. Just copy it from here, just this will start with a
Control
number, and just
paste
click on
it
the
in
search option, this section, right, and then
here
do
we go.
the article. Just
again.
take a look at
Click
the
again.
before doing this
Before
space
clicking
and
the
able
OK
to do
option,
just take a
add
look at the
option.
options here. Have you, the article has been
Done it
cited correctly? Yes. Okay.
Then
Well,
just
that's
click
for
on
the
the
journal
OK
article.
option.
Okay, now there
we'll
is a
go on to the
loophole article
that
which
is
are the books. Sometimes the in-texts are so
accompanied with
the
the title
books. What we are supposed
So what
to
you're going to do is
that
just
click
on
on
the
the
book
book
bar
bar in the
in-text.
Cytoscopy website. Go to the citation
can
option.
see
There's another set of,
as you can see, from
search
here.
options that will appear. Click on it and you will see and edit
I've already
citation.
selected a book for your understanding.
Click on the edit
The
citation.
name of the
book is Fundamentals of Air Pollution.
as
Suppress
our
your
assignment
title.
is basically on air
Just
pollution.
suppress your title. You will just
only
copy
be
the
able to
title,
view
the author's last name and the year. As you can see, the
And the
title
OK.
is here. See, this is how the in-text is.
So we'll copy the
appears
title
after suppressing the title.
Go back to Cytoscopy website.
Right, so we're done with website
And
referencing. Now
paste it
we'll
in
move
this
on
search
to
bar
book
option.
referencing.
and go for
It's
the
quite
search.
easy. Okay. So the book referencing, I would say, and as you can
I have
see,
taken all the
search
information
result has given us
about
our
pollution
desired
and stuff
book
like that
from the book in the first option, and I want to cite it in this particular
How do you
place.
identify there are so many books on
So
the
I'll
same
click
with
on the
same
cursor,
title?
give a space,
So basically go back to
go
our
to the reference book, and
in
you can
search
see that
citation.
the name of the author is Daniel Velloro.
Add new
Velloro.
sources.
So
That's
Daniel Velloro, the
is
drop box will
our
again appear, and we
author.
have to select. So we'll get back
the
to
type
our
of
article
source
citation
to book.
and click on this.
Not
As
book
you can
section,
see, the
but book.
author is the same as
So
we
we see the
desiring
fields
for.
have been changed again.
Final
We'll go
step,
to the
show all field option, and just
And
have
we
a
can
quick
see a
look at the
list
things.
of fields that we
Okay,
need to
so what is
fill up.
missing is our
Okay, so we'll
edition.
start on with
It's very important
the
for us
author's
to
name.
click on.
Okay, so this is the book
edition
that we
section
have
and
been
set the
using.
edition.
This is a book
So for that we have to go back to
Fundamentals of Air
our
Pollution,
book.
5th edition. This is a Google
As
book.
you can see,
So we'll find it
it's
easily
already
over the
written here. It's the
Google.
5th edition. So we're going to use
Even
the
if you don't
information
find the
from
edition here,
and
put it here.
it will be somewhere
Okay.
in
So
the
the
author's
book's
name,
cover
as I
page,
always
like
suggested.
this,
Click
fifth
on the
edition.
edit option, or you
The
can
author's
scroll
name
down to
from
other
the
sections,
Google
and
books
you
are
can
generally
find
given in
information
this
from these
place.
places. The name of the
Right, you can
book
find
and the
there
author's
is
name.
this 5th edition.
So
from
just
this place.
control C the author's
So,
name. Let's get back
in
to
the
our
first
Cytoscopy
name,
website. I repeat,
in the
click on the
first name
edition and
of
click on
the
5. Empty space. Just see what are the
Control
requirements of the
V,
book citation. Paste it. First name, last name of
Select
the
your
author,
last
year published, author's last name, not your last
title
name, the author's
of the
last
book,
name.
of course.
Edition
Control
of the book,
X,
city
cut
in the
and paste
city
it in
of
the last
published
name of the
places. Okay, this is
Add
an
it,
optional thing. This sometimes
on
doesn't
OK.
appear. The informations are not given, so we can skip that. But
Then we look
if the
for the
informations are there, we will
book
title. Obviously, not
So this
delete
is
them.
Fundamentals
And we
of
have
Air
to look the
Pollution.
publisher's name. Control
and
C,
pages
select the
used,
title.
it's an optional
Go
thing,
to
you
this
can give it.
portion and Control V,
And then we go on to the add reference.
after we are done with this, we'll search for the year
once
of the book.
the year of the
Add
book,
all our references
in
we've
which
done
is
3 of
published.
them. As you can
So
see,
something
you
like
just
this is
scroll
up
down
here.
to the
I have
next pages.
cited
The year of the book
journal
is
article
written here,
thrice.
2014. The latest
You
edition,
can
the fifth
delete
edition,
the extras.
was published in the year 2014.
Right.
So we'll just
So now
manually
we
input
have
this.
three.
We don't need to
This is
input
something
city,
that
but
I'll do.
if we have
Now
information, we
strike
can
it out.
input it. As you
So
can
we've
see,
done
the last 3 articles
printed
Now, where do we cite it and how do
copy
we
of
cite
this
it?
book
It's
was
very
published
tricky.
in Waltham.
So we have a sample with
So
us.
we can just
As you can
manually
see, this
put
is a sample
the
that
name.
we've done on.
That's it.
Publisher's name is very
Air pollution.
important.
So all our articles,
Minimize this
books,
and you can see
journals
the
and
name of the
websites
publishers will be
are
right
based on
here.
air
Pages
pollution.
displayed by permission
And
of.
we're going to
This
cite
is the
them.
publisher's name.
So how
Just
do we
select
select
it, copy it, minimize
and paste it
our
here.
Word document. Just remove that dot. Minimize the. And the last thing that is
Browser.
important here,
As you can
if we scroll down,
something like this will
we have to
appear.
fill in this edition. So
Now
we
suppose
see
we are citing
this
book
journal article. We can see
This is
the
a journal
edition is
article that
5th.
we just cited.
This book is
Go
of
to the
5th
copy
edition.
and paste
So we'll
in-text
just go to the
citation
edition
option.
section.
As you can see,
and we'll just
there is a copy
type
and
5.
paste in-text citation
Do OK.
option. Go there
And
click
we
it.
can see, just click it.
The in-text has already appeared.
The in-text
Again,
will be
there's this
automatically
problem
copied
of
in
the
title of the book.
So don't have to worry about this. Just
has
click it.
appeared. So we
Go
just
to the
click
section
on the
where we're going to
citation
cite
option.
your article. Go to the
For
edit
example,
citation.
this is the portion that I've written about the article.
Click
What the
OK.
researchers have
We'll have
done
the
in
author's
their
name
research and
and
how does it
year
link to the
in which
to
it was
our
published.
research.
So I've written about
So this is how
this
the in-text
article.
citations are done. So at the end of the
Okay.
sentence, I'll
Next
just go
thing that I
click
would
the
let you
understand is
browser,
that give a space,
this
Word document,
and do a control
has a
V.
style,
Paste
paste
it.
fold at
Just
APA
paste it and it
edition.
will come here.
Sometimes the
I'll just show you
requirements are
once
different.
again.
Sometimes they ask
Go to the
for
Citus for me.
MLA.
So
Click
if
on
you
copy
click on
and
the
paste
MLA
in-text citation.
you see the citations are getting changed.
Go back to the place where you want to
If
cite
you
your
click
article,
on Chicago,
give a space and
the
make a
citations
control
are
V.
changed. Of course,
So,
you must
let's stick to APA.
match your font with your.
So
rest
after
of the
we've done
font.
with this in-text
So just do
citation,
that.
we'll go to the fresh page, and then
At the
we
end
have
of the assignment,
click on the
website
bibliography
link
as you can
that
see
we had to cite
and insert bibliography. Basically, I have
You can see
used
the list
this
of
information
in
articles
this
that we
portion.
had cited. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to just
The
click on
articles
this the
have
same way.
repetitive.
I'm going to click on the copy and paste in-text
citation.
citation.
Just delete on with the
Go back to
repetitive
our work,
ones, and we've got
give a space and do a control V. Just paste
right.
it. References, right? What is very important for you to understand
how
is
do I
there should be
cite
uniformity in your
my
reference
book?
list and
Copy,
your
paste.
writing. So if
Go
you
to the
see
section where you have
the
used
reference list is
information,
in
suppose
Calibri,
here,
but
give a
your
space
or rather my
control.
assignment is in Times New Roman 12. So we have to change the
match it
font
with the
style,
text
size
font.
and everything of this so that there is right. So this is the way how we
in
are doing
our
the in-text citation.
tasks.
And this is for
Last
the
thing that we
APA.
need to
So
show is that
you can see
how do we paste
the
entire
entire
journal article
reference list
is
at the
in
end of
italics.
the work. The name of the
You can see this
website
option
called
called
copy
is in
and
italics.
paste, and the name of the book article is in italics. I repeat once again.
So
it is the name of the journal that is italics,
click
not
on
the
the copy
title
and
of the
paste
journal.
option.
It's the name of the
And
journal
you
that
see
is in
this
italics.
particular thing arises.
It's the name of the website
reference
article
list
that
is
is in italics.
Click
and
on
it's the name
it,
of the book that
it
is in
turns
italics.
blue.
So just
Right
be careful
click
of that and copy this
and
entire. I
thing.
guess that would do fine.
Go
But
back to your
just to make you
Word document. The place where you
understand
are,
that
writing
most of the
assignment.
Word document doesn't have a
Start from a
Harvard
new
citation.
page.
So the default citations
and
are
control V,
APA style.
copy paste your citation.
What we have to do is
You
that we
can
have to
your
manually
reference
change.
list,
You
some
can
of the
change the font size, things in this
uh,
reference list.
whatever you
For example,
desire.
in case of
So,
APA,
doesn't matter. Just
this
make sure it matches with the
is
rest of your assignment. Doesn't look
A
bad.
and D. This is
You
how
have
you
to
do
do
that
this
manually.
Okay.
In case of
To be
Harvard,
very
careful, there is no such thing called retrieve.
The last thing that I would tell you,
from before you are
you
doing
have to
the
delete
text
entire
entire
your
deciding on your
portion of retrieve form,
referencing part, you have to
make sure
include
what style of
the word
referencing
online
is
mentioned in your assignment. Give a full stop, give a space.
If it is
write
a Harvard,
available
go
at,
to this option
give
that's
a
called
colon, give a
citation
space.
style. Go to this
And
option.
at the end of the
do a
website,
citation.
you have to add, if it is an APA, go to this option, do an APA.
July.
If you go to the option, you
July
will see there are
2017.
MLA, Oscola, there are so
This
many
is
ways you can do it. The
a
standard
Harvard
way is
style.
the Harvard.
Okay.
If nothing is mentioned in the website,
And
we go for the Harvard.
book reference, it's
So
fine.
after
You don't have to
selecting
change anything.
our
Also
desired
make sure
citation style,
if there are more than
then we are going
one
to do our indexing.
author,
The one
you
we've
have to
already
change
done. So suppose if our
this
referencing
to
style is
this.
APA, we would go
Right?
here, click on
Just be
APA,
sure what I'm saying.
and then we would
Okay.
start on with our.
Okay, the last thing that you need to know is that
Indexing.
Harvard references
Right,
are never
suppose,
hanging.
So I delete it here.
Select the entire
I can
reference
show you.
list. Right
This is
click.
how I'm going to cite it again.
Go to
This
paragraphs.
is for the APA style.
Go to
If you
the
are doing
special
APA
portion.
style.
Click
Steward
on
can
this.
be cited here. Nothing much of a
Click on
difference will
hanging.
Steward make.
Sorry, click
Uh,
on none.
the
It's already
style is the
hanging.
same.
And then click OK.
And for
Now you see
below
there is
also
a
it's the same thing.
problem in the alignment.
Right.
So
Okay.
just
So basic
sort
difference
this
between
out,
APA and Harvard
go
is
to
that
this
if you
indent
look at the increase
text.
the indent, and we'll come back to your original position. APA uses
Right? But in
the
case of
and sign,
APA, you have to do
and
hanging.
Harvard
For
actually
that,
uses
select the entire
the
reference list.
AND
Right
for
click.
and.
Go to the paragraph option. Also, there
Go
is
to the
subtle
difference
special
between
portion.
the website
Click
referencing.
On hanging.
If it is in the
and do OK.
Harvard
So
style,
the reference list will
you're
be in
going
hanging style.
to take a look at the
So
bibliography.
that's it for now. I
It is
think
got
you
and,
will understand gradually when you
it
are
has got a
working
place
with
called
your
assignments
online.
and your referencing. Initially it will take a
Available
bit
at
time for you,
and
but
access
my
at the
suggestion
end
is
of
that
the
when you are writing your
bibliography.
assignments, make sure you
But in
don't
case of APA,
cross
the
out
style changes.
all
You
your
can see
references.
there's a
or
retrieved
the
18th
places from
July
where you are
2017.
writing your assignments.
You have to
And
be very
the
careful that
access
you open up
is
only
removed,
or
the
keep
online portion is
the
removed, there's
tabs
no
open.
available at after
So
you
this is the
write,
basic difference
after
between
you've written
APA
your
and
assignments,
Harvard.
because you'll need
You
them
must
for
know
your
that.
referencing
And
purposes.
also make sure there are so
And
many things that are
just
in
to keep
italics.
in mind, you are not
As you can
supposed
see,
to
the reference list.
cite any
Whenever you
Wikipedia
are citing anything, if it is a journal article, the name of the journal
those are
will
not
always
treated
be in
as
italics.
references.
If you are citing a
Because
website,
Wikipedia is
the
a
website
user
title
operated
will always be in
website.
italics.
So the
And if you're
informations are
citing a
basically
book,
inputted by
the name of the
users.
book
You
will
can
always
use
be
the
in
information,
italics.
but you cannot
So just be
cite it
careful.
from
This is
there.
the correct way of doing it.
So
Also,
that is it.
if you are doing
And if you have
Harvard,
any queries regarding
Harvard's
the
references are
citations
not hanging.
method,
As
you can always,
as you can see, this
drop in your
Harvard
queries
is
and we can sort
always
that out. Thank you.
in a normal way. How do you do that? Okay, how do you do that? Just select the entire reference list, do a click, go to the paragraph portion, special portion, click on none, and then do OK. This is the format of a Harvard referencing. In case of a APA referencing, just go select control click paragraph, go to the special portion and do a hanging. The reference will turn into this format. So this is for the APA style, right? So I guess I have done a lot to let you understand how we are referencing the articles. If you have any further queries, you can of course let us know so that we can help you more. Thank you.